In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Slack channel. Creating a dedicated channel in Slack is a simple way to keep communication organized around a specific project, topic, or team. Instead of mixing everything into one general chat or spreading conversations across direct messages, a channel gives everyone a clear place to collaborate, share updates, and find information later. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your workspace from a desktop web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Channels. Move your cursor over that heading, then click the plus icon that appears beside it. From the menu that pops up, choose Create a Channel. A channel creation window will appear on your screen. In the name field, type the name you want to use for the new channel. Keep in mind that Slack channel names must be written in lowercase, can't contain spaces, and need to stay under 80 characters. Using a clear and simple name helps everyone instantly understand what the channel is for. In the description field, which is optional, add a short summary of the channel's purpose. This is helpful for teammates who may come across the channel later and want to know what belongs there. Next, decide whether the channel should be public or private. You'll see a Make Private toggle near the bottom of the window. If you leave it off, the channel will be public, which means people in your workspace can find it, view it, and join it. If you turn it on, the channel will be private, meaning it won't appear in search and people can only access it if they're invited. Choose the setting that best fits how open or restricted you want the conversation to be, then click the Create button. After that, Slack will open an Add People window automatically. At this stage, you can choose to add everyone in the workspace if this is meant to be a broad announcement or community channel. Or if it's for a smaller group, use the search box to find and select specific teammates. Once you've made your selections, click Add. If you'd rather set things up first before inviting anyone, you can choose Skip for now. Slack will then take you directly into your new channel. You should see a confirmation message at the top showing that the channel has been created. To make sure everything is working, click into the message box, type a quick welcome message, and press enter to send it, and that's it. You've successfully created a new Slack channel. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see